am willing it to be autumn way too early with this lipstick. Well, I feel really stupid now. We'll roll with it. It's fine. CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have another GeekGear Wizardry unboxing for you. This time I have the Special Edition box. I am so excited. So I know in past videos I've mentioned that this is a bi-monthly. I don't know why I keep saying that. Yes, I do know what bi-monthly means. This is an every other month subscription box. If you are interested in GeekGear Wizardry subscription boxes, this is definitely a solid option. It's a special edition, so you do get extra goodies in these boxes, and it's a little bit cheaper than the monthly subscription box. This video is not sponsored. I subscribe to this with my own money. This is my honest opinion of everything that's in here. If you are interested in GeekGear, I will leave a link to their website down below, and you can check out the various subscription options that they have. So it arrived a couple days after my monthly subscription box, which is kind of odd because they were both dispatched at the same time, but not complaining. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is CRMediaGal, also known as Andrea. CRMediaGal is my pen name in the fan fiction and fandom world. If you're interested in checking out my fan fiction, I will leave a link down to that below. I do write, well, at least I used to, write a lot of Harry Potter related fan fiction, particularly Severus Snape and Hermione Granger. Be sure to click that subscribe button so that you can get future notifications on videos that I do on this channel. I do a lot of Harry Potter related videos, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get into this. I am so excited. This is super heavy. Now, how exactly does this open? Oh, duh. So I'm gonna give you guys the first sneak peek, if I can hold this up. Ooh, so there's the green tissue paper because I am a Slytherin. So open this up. You see that? Ooh, okay. What is in here? Where to start? Let's start with what I think is a sweater / jumper. Give you guys the first sneak peek. What is that? Oh, okay. So it's one of the various entrances to the Ministry of Magic that Arthur Weasley and Harry took in Order of the Phoenix. I love the colors. That's really pretty. As I've mentioned in other unboxing videos and Harry Potter hauls that I've done, I will leave those down below if you're interested in checking those out. I tend to like merchandise that is a little more subtle. So if you saw me wearing this, unless you're a Harry Potter fan, you probably might not know what it is. That is really cool. It feels very soft. Looking forward to the fall and winter when I can wear this. Very Slytherin-like. Okay, yay, let's see what's next. Oh god, I don't even know where to start. Okay, we will start with this. This looks like it's Harry Potter licensed merch. Oh, I think it's a keychain. So mine is gray, and it's got the little Harry Potter charm on it as well. So that's really cute. I will definitely use that. I'll be able to mistake those keys as mine for sure. Let's go for another t-shirt. So you get two wearables in this box. Oh, okay. So we got a navy t-shirt with a quote on it that says, "It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live." Dumbledore's probably most famous quote from the book series. Probably one of my favorite quotes too. It's got the Mirror of Erised in there with Harry looking at his parents. Oh, that's sweet. I do like that, and I really like the colors, and that's a great saying, so I will definitely wear that. What's next? Let's go for another official licensing merch. It looks like it's a travel mug. I am making a mess, by the way. Here we go. Okay, so you got Harry Potter on the one side, and then on the other side, you've got the Ministry of Magic. That's a nice, heavy glass mug, too. That's really cute. I do like that. Obviously, it's official licensing merch, so it's definitely good quality. I like that. I will definitely use that for my coffee and my tea. I'm so excited about this box, guys. Okay, I'm trying not to look too much either, and I haven't been spoiled by any other unboxing videos I've been avoiding them the last week or so. Also, I have no clue what's in here. Oh, it looks like I got a wallet or a universal case. Yeah, quite a couple official items in this box. Oh, that is cute. I got a little Harry Potter wallet. It's got the official Hogwarts crest there with the envelope stamp for like the official letter that you would get from Hogwarts. And then you just open it up. So you got room for a couple cards in there and some change. Oh, you can, oh, okay, so you can also put your phone in here. Yeah, that's really cool. I haven't seen a lot of those. Oh, cute. And then on the back it says, Mr. Harry Potter, the cupboard under the stairs, with the address there. That is super sweet. I do like that. That's cute. Moving on. There's another small item in here. Oh, it looks like it's a pin. I know GeekGear does do a lot of pins, and I think this is actually the first pin I've got in my subscription. So this is exciting. Okay, that's cute. It's an enamel pin of the Howler. That's really funny. It's huge too. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna wear that. I am starting to get into collecting pins, so this will be fun to just even display somewhere, maybe on my board up there. This is a good box, guys. This is definitely, I'm a happy girl. And lastly, it looks like I got some kind of a metal print here. Let you guys get a first look at that. It's cute, it's the Niffler, surrounded by his gold and jewels and whatnot. You can hang these on the wall, or you can put these on your fridge. That is huge though. I'm not sure I will be using that on the fridge. I'm not sure I can get away with that, but oh, the Niffler from Fantastic Beasts. He's so cute. Oh, we got to the end. I shouldn't be complaining though, we got plenty of stuff, right? Let's do the pamphlet then that we got here. So we got the pom-pom keychain, then we got the Niffler disc plate, then we got the Harry Potter phone case. It's really unique. I really like that. Like any really unknown YouTuber, I'm filming all of this on my phone. My cover is actually of advanced potion making, and I really love that, so if I can insert a picture up here somewhere, I will. Maybe whenever that one kicks the bucket, then I will start using this one. Then we got the Howler enamel pin and the travel mug, which is really good quality. Oh, okay, so this jumper here glows in the dark apparently. It's really cool. You can see that up there in the corner. And then we got the exclusive t-shirt with the Albus Dumbledore quote on it. I definitely think the special edition box is worth it. Okay, so the special edition subscription box does not include a hint for the next box. So just FYI, there's nothing in here for that. I don't mind being surprised, so that's a-okay. But that is it, guys. That is it. I got so much stuff, and I have a pile of mess here, but it's all Harry Potter mess, so I'm ecstatic. But that is it, guys. That is my unboxing for the June special edition GeekGear Wizardry box. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I am so excited for the next one, which should be coming up in August, and I will be doing that unboxing on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please do be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me and supports my channel. And be sure to comment down below and let me know what was your favorite from this month's box. Mine, I think, I like everything in here. I think honestly it has to be the phone case, because that is super, super cute and it's different. And I like that it closes, so you get that extra protection. The cover that I have now is the same sort of deal. I think this one was probably my favorite. But what was yours? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye!